Hello, children. I am Owl, and today I will tell you about Google Cloud. It is a cloud, which is a special space on the internet where you can safely store various information and use different programs without having to install them on your own computer. This way, we can access everything we need, no matter where we are. Come, listen to how the little animals discovered this topic. By the pond, Rat and Guinea Pig met. They were talking about Google Cloud, but Rat was sure it was a place where Google kept real clouds to make more rain. Guinea Pig explained to him that Google Cloud is a place for data, not rain clouds. Rat did not believe it, saying he saw rain after typing something into the Google search engine. I later explained to them that Google Cloud is a collection of servers that store data and applications accessible through the internet. Under the big tree, Sparrow and Puppy were discussing how Google Cloud helps with everyday tasks. Sparrow shared that thanks to Google Cloud, he can save all his riddle ideas in one place, even if he loses his notebook. Puppy added that it is very convenient because he can program anywhere. All he needs is internet access. I explained in detail that Google Cloud allows access to programs and files from any device, which makes collaboration and organizing daily tasks much easier. At the playground, Frog and Kitten were playing. I decided to check their knowledge and ask them what they know about Google Cloud. Frog quickly said that it is an online space where she designs her mobile applications so she can easily test and share them with others. She added that it is very convenient because all the data is always safe. Kitten emphasized that Google Cloud takes great care of information security, protecting data from theft and external attacks. He explained that using Google Cloud allows him to take better care of cybersecurity. I praised them for their good answers. Google Cloud is a platform that allows us to safely store data and work easily and conveniently from anywhere. Let us summarize, children, what we learned today. Google Cloud is an online space that allows us to store information, applications, and data on Google servers. Thanks to it, we can access important documents and programs from anywhere in the world, as long as we have internet access. Google Cloud also takes care of the security of our information. I hope you enjoyed this story. I look forward to seeing you next time.